NLN NEX Science Practice Questions. Question 1. Which answer identifies the bond formed when electrons are shared in this full practice item? Option A, ionic bond. Option B, covalent bond. Option C, metallic bond. Option D, hydrogen bond. The correct answer is option. Covalent bonds form when atoms share electrons. Ionic bond forms when electrons are transferred. Metallic bond occurs among metal atoms, and hydrogen bond is a weak attraction. Question 2. During a quick NEX review of a nursing entrance item, which answer identifies the bond formed by transfer of electrons? Option A, ionic bond. Option B, covalent bond. Option C, hydrogen bond. Option D, peptide bond. The correct answer is option. Ionic bonds form when one atom gives up electrons and another gains them. Covalent bond shares electrons, hydrogen bond is a weaker attraction, and peptide bond links amino acids. Question 3. After checking the choices in a pre-nursing prep item, which answer identifies the substance dissolved in a solution? Option A, solvent. Option B, precipitate. Option C, solute. Option D, catalyst. The correct answer is option. The solute is the material being dissolved. Solvent does the dissolving, precipitate is a solid that forms in solution, and catalyst speeds a reaction. Question 4. If a verbal practice stem gives one clear clue, which answer identifies the substance that dissolves another substance? Option A, enzyme. Option B, solute. Option C, indicator. Option D, solvent. The correct answer is option. The solvent is the dissolving medium, such as water in salt water. Enzyme catalyzes reactions, solute is the dissolved material, and indicator signals a change such as pH. Question 5. When time is limited on a math practice question, which answer identifies the force that pulls objects toward Earth? Option A, gravity. Option B, buoyancy. Option C, magnetism. Option D, friction. The correct answer is option. Gravity attracts masses toward each other and pulls objects downward on Earth. Buoyancy is upward force in fluid, magnetism acts between magnetic materials, and friction resists motion between surfaces. Question 6. Given the information in a science practice item, which answer identifies the energy of motion? Option A, thermal equilibrium. Option B, kinetic energy. Option C, chemical energy. Option D, potential energy. The correct answer is option. Kinetic energy is energy possessed by moving objects. Thermal equilibrium is a balanced heat state, chemical energy is stored in bonds, and potential energy is stored energy. Question 7. Suppose a similar biology review item appears on test day, which answer identifies the stored energy due to position? Option A, kinetic energy. Option B, electrical current. Option C, potential energy. Option D, sound energy. The correct answer is option. Potential energy is stored because of position or arrangement. Kinetic energy is energy of motion, electrical current is moving charge, and sound energy travels as waves. Question 8. While working through a timed chemistry basics set, which answer identifies the transfer of heat through direct contact? Option A, convection. Option B, radiation. Option C, evaporation. Option D, conduction. The correct answer is option. Conduction transfers heat when particles collide through direct contact. Convection moves heat through fluid circulation, radiation transfers energy by waves, and evaporation is liquid changing to gas. Question 9. Before choosing an answer in a critical thinking item, which answer identifies the variable a researcher deliberately changes? Option A, a control group. Option B, constant. Option C, independent variable. Option D, dependent variable. The correct answer is option. The independent variable is the factor intentionally changed. Control group is used for comparison, constant is kept the same, and dependent variable is measured as the outcome. Question 10. A student sees this comprehension drill idea on a NEX review, which answer identifies the variable measured as the result? Option A, the independent variable. Option B, hypothesis. Option C, constant. Option D, dependent variable. The correct answer is option. The dependent variable is the outcome measured after a change. Independent variable is changed by the researcher, hypothesis is a testable prediction, and constant is kept the same. Question 11. One reading skill practice problem tests this skill. Which answer identifies the group that does not receive the experimental treatment? Option A, experimental group. Option B, a control group. Option C, sample. Option D, a conclusion. The correct answer is option. A control group provides a comparison for the treatment group. Experimental group receives the treatment, sample is the participants or items studied, and conclusion is the final interpretation. Question 12. Several choices look tempting in a vocabulary skill item. Which answer identifies the testable prediction in an experiment? Option A, hypothesis. Option B, theory. Option C, data table. Option D, constant. The correct answer is option. A hypothesis is a prediction that can be tested with evidence. Theory is a broad explanation supported by evidence, data table organizes results, and constant is a factor kept the same. Question 13. For this grammar skill nursing entrance question, which answer identifies the repeating a study to see if results hold? Option A, a classification. Option B, bias. Option C, replication. Option D, estimation. The correct answer is option. Replication checks whether results are reliable across repeated trials. Classification is grouping items, bias is a systematic error, and estimation is an approximate calculation. Question 14. In a short algebra skill practice STEM, which answer identifies the process that keeps internal conditions stable? Option A, mutation. Option B, respiration. Option C, homeostasis. Option D, metabolism. The correct answer is option. Homeostasis maintains stable internal conditions despite external changes. Mutation is a DNA change, respiration is gas exchange or cellular energy release, and metabolism is the sum of chemical reactions. Question 15. Among the choices in a data interpretation item, which answer identifies the feedback loop that reduces a change and restores balance? Option A, a transpiration. Option B, diffusion. Option C, negative feedback. Option D, positive feedback. The correct answer is option. Negative feedback reverses a change to bring the body back toward a set point. Transpiration is water loss from plants, diffusion moves particles down a gradient, and positive feedback amplifies a change. Question 16. Using the facts in a reasoning drill question, which answer identifies the blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart? Option A, capillary. Option B, lymph duct. Option C, artery. Option D, a vein. The correct answer is option. Arteries carry blood away from the heart under higher pressure. Capillary exchanges materials with tissues, lymph duct moves lymph, not pump blood away from heart, and vein returns blood toward the heart. Question 17. Based on the clue in a timed practice item, which answer identifies the blood vessel that returns blood to the heart? Option A, a vein. Option B, capillary. Option C, alveolus. Option D, artery. The correct answer is option. Veins return blood to the heart and often contain valves. Capillary is a tiny exchange vessel, alveolus is an air sac, and artery carries blood away from the heart. Question 18. Consider this high-yield score report concept, which answer identifies the tiny vessel where nutrient and gas exchange occurs? Option A, a vein. Option B, capillary. Option C, artery. Option D, a trachea. The correct answer is option. Capillaries have thin walls that allow exchange with tissues. Vein returns blood to the heart, artery moves blood away from the heart, and trachea carries air. Question 19. Near the end of a study plan review session, which answer identifies the structure that connects muscle to bone? Option A, cartilage. Option B, neuron. Option C, ligament. Option D, tendon. The correct answer is option. Tendons attach muscles to bones so movement can occur. Cartilage cushions joints, neuron transmits nerve signals, and ligament connects bone to bone. Question 20. Across similar review checklist nursing entrance questions, which answer identifies the structure that connects bone to bone? Option A, ligament. Option B, alveolus. Option C, tendon. Option D, enzyme. The correct answer is option. Ligaments stabilize joints by connecting bones to other bones. Alveolus exchanges gases, tendon connects muscle to bone, and enzyme catalyzes reactions. Question 21. Since only one choice fits the common mistake clue, which answer identifies the part of the brain involved in balance and coordination? Option A is cerebrum. Option B, hypothalamus. Option C, cerebellum. Option D, medulla. The correct answer is option. The cerebellum coordinates balance and smooth movement. Cerebrum handles higher thought and voluntary movement. Hypothalamus helps regulate temperature and hormones, and medulla controls vital automatic functions. Question 22. From the information in a calculator-free item, which answer identifies the part of the brain controlling breathing and heart rate? Option A, hippocampus. Option B, medulla. Option C, cerebellum. Option D, retina. The correct answer is option. The medulla controls vital and voluntary functions such as breathing and heart rate. Hippocampus supports memory, cerebellum coordinates balance, and retina detects light in the eye. Question 23. At a testing desk during a patient chart review, which answer identifies the organ that produces bile? Option A, pancreas. Option B, gallbladder. Option C, kidney. Option D, liver. The correct answer is option. The liver produces bile, which helps digest fats. Pancreas secretes enzymes and hormones, gallbladder stores bile, and kidney filters blood. Question 24. Inside a lab results science or skills item, which answer identifies the organ that stores bile? Option A, colon. Option B is stomach. Option C, gallbladder. Option D, liver. The correct answer is option. The gallbladder stores and concentrates bile made by the liver. Colon absorbs water, stomach begins protein digestion, and liver produces bile. Question 25. Through careful reading of a health literacy stem, which answer identifies the largest artery leaving the heart? Option A, vena cava. Option B, carotid vein. Option C, pulmonary vein. Option D, aorta. The correct answer is option. The aorta carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to the body. Vena cava returns blood to the heart, carotid vein is not the main artery leaving the heart, and pulmonary vein returns oxygenated blood from lungs.